Question is told if these three vectors are coplanar, what is the value of lambda? So the scalar triple product is equal to 0. This implies A dot B cross C. A dot B cross C should be equal to 0. So A dot B cross C is a 3 cross 3 determinant. It's a scalar value 2, minus 1, 1 and 1, 2 and minus 3. What you should be careful about is it should be in the order ijk. The given vector's component should be in the form of ijk. So this is equal to 0. So what do you get? 2 times 10 minus 3 lambda, 10 minus 3 lambda plus 1 time, leave the row and column, 5 minus 9, 5 plus 9 and plus 1 times, leave the row and column. So what is it? Minus lambda minus 6, that is equal to 0. So what is the answer that we get? 20 minus 6 lambda plus 9 plus 5, 14, minus lambda minus 6 is equal to 0. So minus 7 lambda, 14 minus 6 is 8 plus 28, that is equal to 0. So lambda value is equal to 4 will be the answer to the question.